Welcome, welcome, ciao, this is Davide Travelli, alaska2patagonia.com, and a few months ago I published a video. It was a guide how to choose the perfect tent for your grand adventure. I'm gonna put a link here. And then recently I published a review, a walk around of the MSR Hubba Hubba 2-person tent. And even more recently, I published a review of and walk around of the MSR Hubba 1-person tent. And today we're gonna do a quick comparison of the two. So I'm gonna pitch the two tents side by side, and you will see exactly how they look and what are the differences. In terms of packing size, they are not the difference is not as big as you think, because it's true that one tent is 1 person and the other one is 2 person, but it's not half of the size. With the 1-person tent, the Hubba, you would save only 300 grams, because basically there is only one opening, and there is only one vestibule, but still you have all the fabric on the other side as well. You don't save that much making this choice. The Hubba Hubba packs down a bit bigger, but not that much big. You can see it here. All right, let's go and pitch them. The tents are pitched. Let's have a walk around and see the difference. Obviously, the Hubba Hubba has a larger footprint due to the two vestibule. As you can see here, this vestibule is missing there. There is only like a few centimeters of this gap. Let's see. As you can see, it's only a few centimeters. And then this vestibule is pretty much the same on the two tents. You can see it from this side as well. And have a look. MSR Hubba, MSR Hubba Hubba. The entrance is exactly the same on the MSR Hubba and on the MSR Hubba Hubba. Same zipper, same length. Now for the internal space comparison, I'm gonna use some of the clips that I shoot for the review of the MSR Hubba Hubba and the MSR Hubba, so that you should have a pretty good idea of what's the difference between the two. And this is the tent with my thermalest, to give you a bit of an understanding of how much space you have next to you. So this is the space you have for your gear. As you can see, it's pretty roomy. If I lay down, there is a lot of room, because I'm not 2 meters and 13 centimeters, so it's lots of room. And this is how you pitch the Hubba Hubba, starting from the rainfly. As you can see, like the Hubba Hubba, the Hubba can be pitched starting from the fly sheet so that you can have a minimalist shelter. Well, this is all for today. You can have a look at the differences between the two tents. As you can see here in the middle, there isn't that much difference between the two tents when they are pitched and also when they are packed. I think for a solo grand adventure, I would choose the Hubba Hubba, because it gives you the advantage when the weather situation is not great, is not ideal. You have a little bit more real estate inside the tent, and that could be very helpful. They are both two great choices. But be aware that if you go for the MSR Hubba, you're not gonna save half of the weight, but only a little portion of it. And also in terms of real estate, when it's pitched, it's not, there isn't that much difference. To be honest, in my over 4 years of grand adventure on my bike, there was only very few instances when I wish I had a smaller tent, but there were much more the times where I was grateful I had that extra real estate. Trust me. I hope you found this comparison useful to make your own choice. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!